Hi friends, this is Vishnu here. Welcome to my channel Tips, Tricks and Concepts by Vishnu. So, I know that you will be waiting for the calculation tips. So, in this video, we will be dealing with a very important but easy calculation tip that you often have to use in any of your subjects, that is physics, chemistry and also in maths, that is finding the squares of the numbers. Okay, we can find the squares of any number that is usually involved in the calculation in your exams, okay, in your any exams, be it entrance exams or board exams, very easily. Okay, there is a very easy trick for that. So I am not going to keep you waiting. Let's go to the video. Okay, so friends, let's go to the trick. Okay, the trick is here, and here the method to know the squares of any number is that first of all takes the ones place digit as b. Okay, take the ones place digit always as b. Okay, in any number, be it a 2-digit number or a 3-digit number or whatever it is. Okay, now take the other digits. Okay, all the other digits, be it a 2-digit number or a 3-digit number, whatever it is, take all other digits as a. Okay, so we have ones place digit as b, and if it is a 2-digit number, then the tens place digit as a, or if it is a 3-digit number, then we can take the hundreds and the tens place digit together as a. Okay, we can make it clear by using some examples. So first of all, listen to these basic steps. So we have taken a and b. Now calculate a square, b square and 2ab. Okay, this is not like the one a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, it is not like that, but a different way. Okay, very easy method. Okay, so let's make it clear by using an example. Okay, so for easiness, firstly let's take a number, say 34. Okay, so we have to find 34 square. Okay, so we have to take the ones place digit, that is 4 as b, and tens place digit, all the other digits we have only one digit, that is tens place digit, that is 3. Okay, so 3 is taken as a. Now find a square and b square and 2ab. Okay, so we have a square, that is 3 square is equal to 9, then b square, okay, b square 4 square is equal to 16, and we have 2ab, that is 2 into 3 into 4, so 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4 24. So we have written like this, right? Now, okay, now the next step is very important. Take 6 down. Okay, 6 of 16 down. Okay, then this one, the remaining one of 16 is added to this 24, so we get 25. Now take this 5 of 25 down, and then the remaining 2 is added to our 9, and hence we get 11 here. Then totally that 11 is taken down and we get the number as 1156. Okay, this is actually the square of 34. Okay, 34 square is 1156. Okay, so if you practice this, it will be very easy and you can just find the square of any number within a matter of seconds. Okay, now let's look at a bigger number, that is a 3-digit number. Okay, we can practice a 3-digit number. So let's take for example 162. Okay, so we are going to find the square of 162. How to find? Okay, it's very easy. Similarly, take 2 as b and 16 all together as a. Okay, now write a square, 2ab and b square. So we get b square, that is 2 square as 4, then 16 square here as 256. Okay, 16 square as 256. If you have doubt in 16 square is equal to 256, then find 16 square just by using this same method. Okay, that is we have ones place digit as 6 and tens place digit, that is a as 1. So we have 1, then 2 into 1 into 6, 12, and we have 6 square, that is 36 there, and taking the 3 here we have 15, and taking the 1 here we have 256 in total. Okay, so but actually it's better to study and keep the square values up to 20. It's very easy because you know up to 10 square, that is up to 10 square is 100. Now 11 square is 121, 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169, and so on. Okay, so just study up to 20 and keep. It's better, okay, to make your calculations very easier. Okay, it's not a big task, it's very easy. And so now let's come back to our question, that is 256, and we have 2ab, that is 2 into 16 into and our 2, and hence we have 2 into 16 is 32, 32 into 2 is 64, so we have 64 in the middle and 4 at the end. Okay, now we are taking that 4 altogether down, and since there are no remainings there, we need not add anything. So we are taking the 4 of this 64 entirely down, and this 6 of 64 is added to our 256, and hence we get 262. So we have the final answer as 26244, that is 26,244. Now if you have any doubts in your answers that we have got now, please check it using your calculator, or please check it using your phone. Okay, let's check it. So first of all, we can check our answer for 34 square. So our calculator says 34 square equal to 1156. Okay, so exactly the answer what we got. Now let's check the answer for 162. Okay, 162 square, and we get 162 square. Tell me, the calculator, tell me. We get the answer 26,244. Okay, so you can see that it was exactly the answer that we got using the trick. Okay, just by using the time that our calculator took. So you can see that there will be not a single number difference in our answer if we practice this method correctly. Okay, so you have now seen how to find the square of any number within a matter of seconds. Okay, so it's just an easy task. Love maths, that's all. So now onwards, your calculations, any of your calculations can be made very much easier and also faster. Okay, so you can manage time very easily. So friends, I hope you have understood this trick very clearly, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me, and my WhatsApp number is given here, and you can ask not only the doubts regarding this topic but also any topics to me on WhatsApp, and I will try to give you reply as fast as possible. And to watch such new tips, tricks and some important concepts, then mnemonics, etc., please subscribe my channel if you have not done it, and bye bye. Have a nice day.